Do you want to know how to ask the time in Japanese? Watch this video! あすか先生の日本語道場こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today, I show you how to tell the time in Japanese. If you want to ask, what time is it? 何時ですか?何時ですか?何時 means what time. If it's 1 o'clock, you answer 1時です。1時です。If you're not sure how to tell the time in Japanese, this video helps you. You can watch this video, of course, but my recommendation is to listen to it while studying, working, or driving. Listen to it again and again, and your brain absorbs these words without any effort. Okay, so let's go back. You may ask how to say 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. So, a.m. is 午前. 午前. p.m. is 午後. 午後. When we mention time expression, we say bigger category first. a.m., p.m. is bigger than o'clock. So we note a.m., p.m. first. So here's an example. It's 10 a.m. So in English, you say 10 first and then a.m. second. But we say like this. 午前10時です。午前 a.m. is bigger category than 10時です。10 o'clock. So that's why we put 午前 first. And then 10時です。10時 second. Okay? 午前10時です。And then if you want to say it's 3 p.m. Again, p.m. comes first. 午後3時です。午後3時です。Now you can tell the time in Japanese. Today we've learned how to ask time in Japanese. You just use this sentence, 何時ですか?何時ですか? And if you want to know how to tell the time in Japanese, please watch this video. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you are interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get the notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね